Welcome to the Tavistock Camping and Caravanning Club site at the western edge of the Dartmoor National Park. Leave your car on site and venture on foot or bike to explore Dartmoor's sweeping hills and wooded valleys. The national cycle route from Ilfracombe to Plymouth passes just 200 yards from the site. Whether you enjoy the great outdoors or savouring the culinary delights of the southwest, our Tavistock Club site is the perfect base for making some great holiday memories. Tavistock, 2 miles from this club site, has World Heritage status. The beautiful River Tavy runs through its centre, and there are plenty of lovely cafes, shops and architecture for you to enjoy. A fortnightly farmers market in Tavistock is sure to tickle the taste buds. The Meadows Park is situated just 5 minutes from Tavistock town centre. This beautiful and peaceful park is a tranquil haven with attractive walks, children's play area and trim trails. Whether you're camping with young family or seeking a quieter retreat, there's plenty for you here in the jewel of the Devonshire crown. What will be your adventure?